G'day everyone, it's Nathan from Mars Caravans here. Today we're going to be talking about torquing your wheel nuts and why it's important to do so. Now to do this, you're going to need one of these. This here is a torque wrench, and we want to set our torque wrench to 135 Newton meters for our wheel nuts. Now to torque the wheel nuts, we want to grab our torque wrench and put it on the first lug nut here. Now we want to just check this by pushing down until it clicks, like so. Now we want to move in a star pattern, so we want to go directly across from the one that we have just tightened and tighten that one there. Then we want to move to this one and the one directly opposite. Now, once we've gone around once in that star pattern, we just want to go around one more time just to make sure that they are all nice and tight. Now that all our wheel nuts are tightened, we can go ahead and grab our wheel nut indicators and put them over the top of each wheel nut. Now, the direction that you want to put these on is to the right, so that if a wheel nut is loose, we can see when it has loosened. Now it's important to check the wheel nuts around about 50 to 100 kilometers after receiving your caravan, if it's a brand new caravan, or after any work has been done to the wheels or tires. Reason being is because there can be a little bit of dust or debris between the tire or the rim and the hub, which isn't going to allow it to settle properly on the hub. So what happens is when you're in motion, that debris will either fall out, or as the tire and the rim expand in the heat and cold, it'll eventually settle and center and sit where it needs to be, which means that we need to tighten our lug nut so that the taper sits in snug and holds that rim in place. And there you have it. Now that our wheels are all torqued up, it's time for us to head out on our holiday. For more tips and tricks, head over to our YouTube channel. Until then, see you next time.